A Day in Maya's Life, a portrait of sacrifice and love. As the first rays of dawn painted the sky in hues of pink and gold, Maya stirred from her slumber, her day already in motion before the world had fully awakened. With a silent prayer on her lips and love in her heart, Maya embarked on another day in the tapestry of her life, a life woven with threads of sacrifice and devotion for her beloved family. With the gentle chime of the alarm clock, Maya's day began, her movements deliberate and purposeful as she rose from her bed, careful not to disturb her slumbering husband and children. With a soft kiss on their foreheads, Maya silently thanked the heavens for the gift of another day and set about her morning routine. With quiet efficiency, Maya made her way to the kitchen, the heart of their home, where she prepared a nourishing breakfast for her family. The aroma of freshly brewed coffee and sizzling bacon filled the air, a comforting reminder of the love that went into every meal she cooked. As she set the table with care, Maya's thoughts drifted to her husband and children, their smiles a source of joy and inspiration in her life. With breakfast served and her family gathered around the table, Maya savored the simple pleasure of sharing a meal with her loved ones. As they laughed and talked, Maya's heart swelled with gratitude for the blessings she had been bestowed, her family's happiness a reflection of her own. With a quick kiss and a hug, Maya bid farewell to her husband and children as they set off for their respective destinations. With a silent prayer for their safety and well-being, Maya watched them go, her heart heavy with the weight of the day's responsibilities yet buoyed by the knowledge that they would return to her loving embrace at day's end. With her family gone, Maya turned her attention to the tasks that awaited her, her hands moving with practiced ease as she tidied up the house and tended to the chores that needed to be done. From scrubbing floors to washing laundry, Maya's work was never done, her efforts a labor of love for her family. As the sun reached its zenith in the sky, Maya took a moment to rest and recharge, her tired limbs yearning for a moment of respite. With a steaming cup of tea in hand, Maya settled into her favorite armchair, her thoughts drifting to her husband and children, their faces a constant presence in her mind. With the school day at an end, Maya embarked on her afternoon routine, her footsteps light as she made her way to pick up her children from school. As they greeted her with smiles and hugs, Maya's heart swelled with pride, her children's happiness a testament to her unwavering love and devotion. With her family reunited once more, Maya presided over the dinner table, her heart full as they shared stories of their day and laughed together as one. With each passing moment, Maya's love for her family grew stronger, her sacrifices a small price to pay for the joy they brought into her life. As the day drew to a close, Maya guided her children through their bedtime rituals, tucking them into bed with a kiss and a whispered lullaby. With a soft smile on her lips, Maya watched over them as they drifted off to sleep, their peaceful faces a reminder of the precious gift of family. As the world outside grew still and quiet, Maya stole a moment for herself, her thoughts turning inward as she reflected on the day's events. With a grateful heart and a sense of fulfillment, Maya whispered a silent prayer of thanks to the heavens for the blessings she had been bestowed, her love for her family an unbreakable bond that would endure for eternity. And so, dear reader, let us pause for a moment to honor the unsung heroes like Maya, whose sacrifices and selflessness light the way for others. For in the tapestry of life, it is the quiet moments of love and devotion that weave the strongest threads, binding us together in the unbreakable bonds of family and love.